Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy. If this is your first time here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join the fam. So I make videos on planning, organization, luxury unboxings, and a few tech reviews. Today I'm here with an unboxing of some small leather goods, some SLGs, y'all. I love SLGs, so yes. I didn't even know these items existed. These are the items. I got them from Coach. Coach has been showing out lately, you guys. I think I actually got these from the Coach outlet. So I will put the link below if I can find it on where I got these. And let's go ahead and unbox this item. Oh my gosh. You guys, when I saw this on the website, I literally I was just so excited. I have been looking, well, let me open it and then we'll chat, you guys. And I have the receipt so I can tell you the prices. Ooh, let's start with this one. So these are the Coach Nolitas. So I got a Nolita 15 and a Nolita 19. So I had the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouches in my wish list forever. And of course, you know, like there's no more toiletry pouches. I've been thinking about the like the pochette accessoire and the pochette, the mini pochette, but those things never come in stock. I do have a Louis Vuitton unboxing coming very, very soon though, probably after this one. But you guys, I saw this one first, the Nolita 15, and I was like, no, add that to my cart. And then I saw the 19, so I just figured I would get both. Y'all, you will see why I got this one. Look! It's so freaking cute. It's my favorite color, green. And it is just the cutest little, like, pouch ever. I'm gonna do some close-ups, of course, of these. It's so cute. And it, like, you can click it together and have it as a little bag, like I stand, or it can just be a little wristlet. You guys, oh my gosh. And then you can just have a little wristlet like this. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. And it has pockets on the inside. Oh my gosh, it has two little pockets on the inside plus the larger compartment. So like you can put your change in here or your bills in here, and then you can still use the rest for like a toiletry pouch, or like I carry like random like Listerine strips and things like that, so I could like put those separate. It is so soft. Like I had to get this, you guys. This is so cute. And then the next one I got is the Nolita. Oh, actually I didn't even say the prices. Let me see if it's on here. Okay, so this Nolita 15 was $82.80, and then the Nolita 19 is $100.80. So quite a bit more affordable than like the Louis Vuitton. And it just, I don't know, there's something about it. It's the green. You guys know I love me some green. If you are not new to my channel, you know. I was just thinking this when I was looking at the 15. I wish the hardware was gold. On the 19, it's black, and the hardware is gold. And I think that just looks so much more, I don't know, I just do gold more. So, this is the Nolita 19. Oh, it's so freaking cute, you guys. And it just says Coach New York here, the same as this one. So same thing. So this has a big open, oh my gosh, so it has a big pocket here. And then it has two smaller pockets like the other one. And then it has this big space. This is so cute. And then you can wear it as a wristlet. Like I could literally see myself throwing this in my work bag, and then when I just need to run in somewhere, just like grabbing it and going. So I will add some like comparisons at the end of the video, of course, but this is what we're looking at right now. I'm guessing that this is like 15 across. And would be 19. Am I saying, is that right? Again, I'll throw some shots at the end of the video, but these are so cute. Like, the only thing I would change personally, I would have put gold hardware in the green, but I like gold, so that's me. But I stand, you guys. I love these little bags. I'm glad I went ahead and ordered them. The leather feels so soft. And yeah, let me know down below if you have these, or if you've even heard of them. Like, I had not even heard of these gems, okay? Like, gems, you guys. Let me know down below if you've heard of them. If you made it to this part in the video, leave me a green heart, because green is my favorite color. And I love to just know that you guys are here. I love to know who's here watching the video. And let me know if you plan to pick these up if you don't have them, or if you have these and like the mini pochette and pochette accessoire. Let me know which one you like more. And yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and get into some close-ups and some side-by-side comparisons. Okay, so let's take a closer look at these two items. This is the Nolita 15 here, and this is actually about 15 centimeters and about 6 inches, and about 3.5 inches tall, and then about 1.25 inches wide. And this is the color Surplus, but it comes in a couple of other colors. And this is in the black, and this is the Nolita 19. So it is, of course, about 19 centimeters wide. Let's see, I have my ruler here. So we're looking at just about 19, or 7.5, 7.25, and then about 2 3/4. I don't know, this camera doesn't like focusing. I have to use a different camera today. I usually use my Canon, but can't find the charger. And then we're looking at about 4 inches tall. You can look at them both together, and it's about 1 inch taller, about 1 inch wider. And let's look at the inside. Comes with all this paper, you guys. And so inside, it's this one big section, a pocket here and a pocket here. And then in the 19, there are quite a few pockets. So of course the big section, and then we have a pocket on this side and a larger pocket here. I love these items so much. I really love this color. Again, wish this was gold. And this one is so cute. Like, I feel like I could just carry this by itself if I needed to run somewhere really quick. Even this one, it'll just be a little wristlet. You just disconnect this, put it on one side, and just kind of go, you know? So I am super excited about these two items, and I think they will be a good replacement or alternative to the Louis Vuitton items that I've been waiting for, the ones that are on my wish list. And then even with these, you are getting 2 connectors here. So if you want to use the 19 as a little crossbody, you could definitely do that and just have the chains connected here. I think that would be really cute, actually. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.